Hi everybody, my name is Van Win and this is the review show of UF100 Navigating Yourself. In this show, we'll cover some of the topics that we have taught in class. Hope you enjoy this show. So what's so special about this class, UF100? The reason lies in the learning outcomes. We'll have innovative oral communications, teamwork, and critical inquiry. First of all, it was about the teamwork. You'll be put into team by your DJ leaders and you have to learn how to collaborate with other people to finish all team projects, which include videos about academic excellence and do's and don'ts at the job interview. Other than that, you'll be able to prove your innovation by winning the highest prize with the most creative video. Now, oral communication, you have the chance to speak in front of 24 people in the DG sections about a random topic with only 1 to 2 minutes with many criteria to meet, beside the content of your speech. Other than that, you have the chance to enhance your critical inquiry by looking at both sides of the problem and not superficially. So now, let's take a look about the content of the class. We have 4 case studies which include university, BAS, America, and me study. First of all, it was the university study, which will focus largely on BSU, Boise State University, and largely our choice to identify with it. Other than that, you have the chance to know more about Basque culture, a small country lies between France and Spain. We have the chance to visit the Basque block and learn more about this country, how they identify with being a Basque, as well as their values and norms, also their anthem songs, which was a grateful opportunity for all international students as we discover a new science of adulthood, which is not just potatoes. Now we've moved on to America study. So what is your definitions of America? Is it just language, values, norm, or is it more than that? Stay tuned in the plenary and you know more about it. Last but not least is me study. Now turn your journal to page 1 and see what you like of. Then you have the chance to have a self-assessment and see what you have improved from the beginning and what you still like of. Study harder. Now we'll take a look at the virtue signs of this course, which include character, learner, identity, and career. Hope you like it. First of all, it was the learner. So what is your definitions of a learner? Last the book, Becoming a Learner of Matthew Sanders explained it for you. Hopefully, this book will be your companion throughout 4 years in college. You'll be able to identify the difference between a learner and a student, and hopefully you have the chance to recognize some benefits of being a learner. As they always say, study smarter, not harder. Move on to that, we have character. It was not something that you are born given with. You have the chance to choose. It was the community, it was everything surrounding you that shaped your character, or sometimes it's your choice. We have identity, which include 2 types, given and chosen. So you are not just who you are born given the opportunity to change it, so make a smart choice. And finally, we'll move on to career, so you know that your decision based largely on what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and what they're gonna pay for you. Sometimes your choice are in the opposite side of the reality, so make a smart choice. What I like most about this course was Basque case study. The reason, because we have such an amazing visual tour to the Basque block. We're able to study about their values, their norms, how they appreciate to be a Basque, how they identify the Basque community, and the reason why they moved to America, especially Nevada and Idaho, and how Americans gradually welcome the Basque cultures to be another cultures in this melting pot by centuries and centuries. And I learned a very important lessons and how to divide it, a man in Basque culture. If you are a man, you have to provide your family, your children, your wife with a good life, or else you are such a loser. Want to know more about it? Read the book Sweet Promised Land. Other than that, during the plenary sections, we have two guest speakers, which are two professors of Basque study in Boise State University, talking about their language and history. The reason that the Basque moved to America, which even excited me more. To have all the experience, enroll in UF 100 Navigating Yourself.